Well, COVID situation remains rather grim across the country. India has recorded its biggest ever single-day spike. More than 1,15,000 cases have been reported, surpassing the tally of from 2 days ago. That was just about 1,03,000. The centre has warned that the next 4 weeks are going to be extremely crucial to handle this wave. Punjab has announced a night curfew across the state. There is a ban on political gatherings and violators will be booked under the Epidemic Act. Cap on gatherings at funerals, weddings and crematoriums to 50 for indoors, 100 for outdoors. Maharashtra continues to drive the surge. The state has reported over 55,000 cases in the last 24 hours. With this surge, active cases in the state have now reached the 4,70,000 mark. Maharashtra has reported 297 deaths in the last 24 hours. Mumbai too has clocked over 10,000 fresh cases of COVID and 31 deaths. So far, 740 buildings in the city have been sealed. Delhi, on the other hand, reported 5,100 fresh cases. This has been the highest surge in Delhi since November 27th last year.
कुछ ही स्टेट्स में 11-12 स्टेट्स में ही हालत ज़्यादा विस्फोटक हुई स्थिति, चाहे महाराष्ट्र हो, आप दिल्ली की बात लगा लीजिए, क्या वजह क्या है? पंजाब है, तो उन्हीं स्टेट्स में क्यों?
देखिए, अब ये तो बहुत ज़्यादा जब डिटेल्ड एनालिसिस किया जाए तो उसके अंदर ये पता लगेगा कि भाई यहाँ पर जो है कोविड अप्रोप्रिएट बिहेवियर के अंदर जो है मान लीजिए कोई ज़्यादा लापरवाही है या ज़्यादा सावधानियों को इग्नोर करने की बात है। लेकिन आप अगर ध्यान से देखेंगे तो थोड़ा आपको हर जगह पर जो है ना केसेस के अंदर इंक्रीज दिखाई देगा। लेकिन ये जो 80% से ज़्यादा केसेस हैं ये क्योंकि और जो मोर्टालिटी भी है और केस की वजह से बीमारी होना जिसको मॉर्बिडिटी कहते हैं ये भी जो है ये 11 स्टेट्स में ही ज़्यादा है। उसमें भी जो जैसा मैंने कहा कि पंजाब में, छत्तीसगढ़ में या महाराष्ट्र में और भी ज़्यादा है जहाँ की हमने स्पेशल टीम्स भेजी हैं।
The Delhi government has also announced a night curfew from 10 p.m. to 5 a.m. Mumbai has also announced a night curfew along with a weekend lockdown. Chandigarh too also has announced a night curfew. In Punjab as well, there are other restrictions. But do lockdowns and night curfews actually work in breaking the chain of transmission? I filed this report earlier. Curtailing the crowding at night, cities after cities, towns after towns turn to night curfews to curb the new surge of COVID cases.
समस्त दुकानें बंद रहेंगी रात्रि 10 बजे से सुबह 5 बजे तक.
With cases climbing in Delhi, the national capital too has imposed a night curfew starting Tuesday. A ban on non-essential, non-emergency movement from 10 p.m. to 5 a.m. till the 30th of April. Nationally, the cases were hovering around the 8,000 mark in the first week of February and in the first week of April are hovering around the 1 lakh mark. Many states have gone in for night curfews. The Delhi government is also saying that because of violations in hotels and pubs, it's important to impose a night curfew right now to bring down the cases. But the opinion is clearly divided on whether night curfews actually work in breaking the chain of transmission or are they only a band-aid sort of a solution. Some experts aren't convinced that there's compelling evidence that more people catch the virus at night than crowding in markets and other areas during the daytime. And who knows, the night curfews might well prompt people to dine out in more cramped spaces that are out of police sight or simply party earlier than 10 p.m.
Maximum transmission occurs during the daytime in closed settings, in crowds, and when people are interacting with each other. Imposing night curfews and weekend curfews is mostly ineffective. Probably it will give a feeling that people have to be more strict in enforcing these behaviors.
Businesses fear the new measure will hit them harder when they are struggling to recover from the lockdown losses.
नाइट कर्फ्यू से क्या हासिल होगा, क्या कोरोना रुकेगा, ये व्यापारियों के लिए बड़ा सवाल है। नाइट कर्फ्यू होने से बैंक्वेट हॉल, फार्म हाउसेस, रेस्टोरेंट, होटल्स और इस प्रकार के जो व्यवसाय हैं जो बड़ी मुश्किल से पिछले लॉकडाउन के बाद से आकर के अब थोड़ा संभले थे, एक बार फिर उनके व्यापार को धक्का पहुंचने वाला है।
Some medical experts, however, support this move.
People will be reminded now strongly enough that yes, if they don't follow the COVID appropriate behavior, perhaps the risk of getting oneself infected, getting the family infected, and also hospitalizations would perhaps increase dramatically.
On its part, the Central Health Ministry has already written to the Maharashtra government saying that night curfews and weekend lockdowns have limited impact on suppressing the transmission. The jury is still out on whether the measure will serve the purpose effectively. With Bureau Inputs, Sneha Mordani, India Today. Well, talking about night curfews and localized restriction, let's take a look at all the measures that have been taken by various states across the country to curb the spread of the infection. Starting from Maharashtra, weekend lockdown, night curfew from 8 p.m. to 7 a.m. Bars, restaurants, theatres, salons have been shut. Section 144 has been imposed in Mumbai city. In Delhi, there's a night curfew that started from yesterday. It's in effect from 10 p.m. to 5 a.m. In Uttar Pradesh, 20 houses will be sealed for every positive patient. The RWA are shutting down sports activities, crowd controlling at malls, restaurants. In Rajasthan, a night curfew on from 9 p.m. to 5 a.m. in 10 cities. Schools will remain shut till class 9. Multiplexes, theatres, gyms, all of them have been shut. Well, till 19th of April, in fact, RT-PCR test is a must for travellers. In the state of Punjab, night curfew is on from 9 p.m. to 5 a.m. Ban on political gatherings. Gatherings have been restricted at weddings and funerals. In Bengaluru, Section 144 has been imposed. Prohibit operations in places like gyms and swimming pools. In Haryana, only 200 people are allowed for any indoor activity, 500 allowed for outdoor activities.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.